Find an equation of the line containing negative 3, 2 and parallel to the line 2x minus 5y equals 8. We're going to use the point-slope form to find the equation of the line. That is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. In order to use this form, we need a point on the line, which we're given, and we need a slope of the line, which we're not given directly. However, we're given a piece of information that we can use to find that slope, and that is that the line we're looking for is parallel to the line 2x minus 5y equals 8. That means that this line we're looking for has to have the same slope as this line. So in order to fill in the information in here, we need to find the slope of 2x minus 5y equals 8. So let's solve for y in there. 2x minus 5y equals 8. Subtracting 2x from both sides, we have negative 5y equals negative 2x plus 8. And then multiplying every term by negative 1/5, we have y equals 2/5 x minus 8/5. The slope of this line is 2/5, so the slope of a line parallel to this line will also be 2/5. So the slope of the line we're looking for will be 2/5. Now that we know that information, we can substitute back in this equation and find the equation of the line we're looking for. We have y minus y sub 1 will be 2 because the point on the line is negative 3, 2 equals m is the slope 2/5 because this line we're looking for is parallel to 2x minus 5y equals 8. So we have 2/5 times x minus x sub 1 would be negative 3. And now we can simplify. We have y minus 2 equals 2/5 times x plus 3, because x minus a negative 3 is x plus 3. Or y minus 2 equals 2/5 x plus 2/5 times 3 is 6/5. We're not told what form to leave the equation in, and when we're not, we usually solve for y and leave it in slope-intercept form. So we'll solve for y by adding 2 to both sides. We have y equals 2/5 x. And then when we add 2 to 6/5, 2 is the same as 10/5. So 10/5 and 6/5 will give us 16/5. So the equation of the line containing negative 3, 2, parallel to the line 2x minus 5y equals 8 is y equals 2/5 x plus 16/5.